front of me is Infinix 030, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by opening your keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select this gear one instead. Now select voice typing and click on the gray switcher to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on no visible microphone. If you never used it before, tap on while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. To stop, click on the same microphone. Like that. Or simply stop talking. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!